earthly tent we live in is destroyed, we have a building from God, an eternal house in heaven, not built by human hands. There's no place like home. There's no place like home, living bad to the bone. Homie dodging the chrome, time to leave it alone. There's no place like home.
I remember I was contemplating suicide. I told myself, Seb Young, it's either do or die. Until I met the Holy One who got crucified. He gave me a new heart and he renewed my mind. Now tell me what's the reason? I'm living every season. I'm the salt to the earth and I'm the Lord's season. Sign sown Seb, dipped in red, I'm cheesing. I'm waiting on the honeymoon without the Jackie Gleason. Now I'm living, I'm breathing, my faith increasing. I'm reaching past up, I'm jumping and leaping. I get my Uncle Reese in. You wanna bring the streets in? You wanna bring your chief in? You wanna bring your peace in? I bring the Prince of Peace in. So no more blazing haze, bring the sun out on rainy days. Leave the 4 pound, put the gauge away. I'm alive again, cause Christ inside of him. On a white horse, homeboy, he riding in.
There's no place like home, living bad to the bone. Homie dodging the chrome, time to leave it alone. There's no place like home. There's no place like home, living bad to the bone. Homie dodging the chrome, time to leave it alone. There's no place like home.
There's no need to gain the world, I'd rather save my soul. It's never late, he saved himself at 28 years old.